Partial fractions, cases of quadratic denominator that can be factorized. So in this lesson, we're going to look at resolving a given fraction into its various parts, but this time around we're going to deal on denominators that can be factorized. Let's take an example. We have 5 so we say first factorize the denominator. So let's come here. 6x squared plus 5x plus 1. So two factors when multiplied together will give us plus 6x squared. And when added together will give us plus 5x. So this is factors of 3x times 2x, which is plus 6x squared. 3x plus 2x gives us plus 5x. This is what we have here. So these two factors will take the place of plus 5x. So this will give us 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. 6x squared plus 3x and 2x plus 1. So 3x plus 2x plus 1 plus 1, 2x plus 1. So this is 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So put this in place of this. So this becomes 5 minus 12x over 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Okay. So next, resolve the given expression. Resolve the given expression in partial fraction. So this will bring us to 5 minus 12x over 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1, identical to a plus 3x plus 1 plus b 2x plus 1. So we're going to multiply 2 by LCM. LCM is when this fraction was resolved to get to this form. This was the LCM. So we're going to multiply through by the same LCM, which is 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. So this is 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 5 minus 12x over 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 1 plus b 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay, so having multiplied both sides by the LCM, or having multiplied through by the LCM, we're going to cancel out common factors. This is common, so to cancel out. This is common, so to cancel out. This is common, so to cancel out. So we're going to have 5 minus 12x plus e 2x plus 1 plus b 3x plus 1. Okay, so we're going to add 12x as multiple, open the bracket. This is 2ax plus e plus 2bx plus b. So 5 minus 12x equals to we'll bring like terms together, x and like terms, so 2ax plus 2 bx plus a plus b. So we factor x out, 5 minus 12x plus x, 2e plus 2b plus e plus b. Okay, so we're going to equating terms. So this constant equates with this constant, so a plus b is equals to 5, question 1, and then x 2e plus 3b is equals to minus 12x. So x will cancel x, so this becomes 2e plus 3b give us minus 12 equation 2. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. This will be 2a plus 2b is equals to 10. Equation 2 by 1 will be 2a plus 2b is equals to minus 12. Then I will subtract. So 2a minus 2 will give me 0. So I eliminate. And then 2b minus x plus b minus. So 2b minus 3b will be minus b. So 10, what you have here is 10 minus 12. Minus times minus is plus, so 10 plus 12, which is 22. 22. So divide both sides by minus 1, we get minus b by minus 1, so 22 minus 1, so b is equals to minus 22. So substitute minus 22 for b in 2. In equation 2. Equation 2 you have 2a plus 2 minus 22 is equals to minus 12. So 2a plus times minus is minus 3 times 22 is 66 equals to minus 12. So 2 is equals to minus 12 plus 66. So 2a is equals to 66 minus 12. This is 454. That's minus 54. So a is equals to minus 54 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 27. Okay, so substituting values of a and b into our initial proposition. We're going to have, I said, 5 minus 2x. So 5 minus 12x over 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1 should be identical to where our a is minus 77. That's 27 over 3x plus 1 minus 27 and minus, because b is minus and minus times plus to give us minus 22 over 2x plus 1. So that's it. I think this place made a mistake here. So minus 12 plus 66 will give us 54, because this part is higher than minus, so it's a minus 54, is not negative. So this part will be plus. Okay. Substituting the values of a and b into our initial position, we say let 5x minus 12 equals to 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 This is the question. So our A is 27, well, that's just 27 over 2x plus 1 minus B is minus 22. And minus times plus in this, okay, we have it, okay. So minus times plus minus minus, so B is 22 over 22 over 2x plus 1. That's the partial parts of the fraction. So this particular expression has two factors here, this part and this part that can be factorized. So we'll say first factorize x squared minus x minus 2. So let's come here, x squared minus x minus 2, which will give us minus 2x squared. Two factors we multiply together will give us minus 2x squared, and when added together will give us minus x. So that will give us minus 2x squared minus 2x times plus x. Minus 2x times plus x will give us minus 2x squared minus 2x plus x will give us minus x. So this 2 can take the place of minus x. So we have x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. So x squared minus 2x and x minus 2. X is common, so x minus 2, and then plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1. So this will take the place of this expression. So we'll say factorize, so our expression becomes 2 minus 4x over x, x minus 2, and x plus 1. Okay, so we select the identical, so A x plus B x minus 2 plus C x plus 1. Alright, the next thing is to multiply through by LCM, which is LCM, which is x minus 2 x plus 1. So when we multiply through by LCM, we're going to have 2 minus 4x, because the LCM will, this whole LCM will be multiplied by this whole expression, divide this part, we cancel this part because everything is common to this part. 2 minus 4x is equals to, so when you also multiply this part with this LCM, this x will cancel this x because they are common, so we let it be x minus 2 and x plus 1. Same thing, when this multiplies this b, this denominator b, x minus 2 will get x minus 2, we will have plus b x and x plus 1 and plus c. X plus 1 and x plus 1, so we have x and x minus 2. So next is to solve this expression. So I'm going to eliminate a and b. In that way, we need to solve for c. So I'm going to look for what a and b has in common, the factors. Okay, b has x plus 1, a has x plus 1. So to eliminate a and b, I'm going to make x equals to minus 1. So to eliminate a and b, put x equals to minus 1. Okay, so I guess that if here is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So and here is minus 1, here is minus 3. So 0 times minus 3 is 0. 0 times a is 0. So this a is eliminated. And if here is also minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times x is 0. 0 times b is 0. So I'm going to have only c and this part of the equation to work with, thereby arriving at the value for c. Okay, so 2 minus 4 minus 1 is equals to, so a and b are already eliminated, so I'm going to have c plus minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 2. So minus 4 times minus 1 will give us 2 plus 4 is equals to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1, that's plus 3 minus 3c, and 2 plus 4 is 6, 3c. So c is equal to 6 over 3, that's equals to 2. Okay, so to eliminate b and c, put x equals to, so b and c, what do they have in common? B and c has x is in common, so in order to eliminate b and c, I will make x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0. So if x is 0 here and 0 here, so 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2. Minus 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times c is 0. Same thing applies to b. So maybe b and c, put x equals to 0. So 2 minus 4, 0 is equals to, alright, I'm going to have a to work with. A is equals to 0 minus 2 and 0 plus 1. So minus 4 times 0 is 0, so 2 is equals to minus 2. So this is a minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, so 2 is equals to minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 minus 2a. So a is equals to 2 minus 2 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 1 is equals to minus 1. So to eliminate, now I'm going to look for the value of b. So for me to look for the value of b, I'm going to eliminate a and c. To eliminate a and c, put x equals to. So what that means that for me to be able to get the value of b, I need to eliminate a and c, because I can't have 3 unknowns to work for, to solve, or to try to get their values. So by eliminating a and c, it will be very easy for me to arrive at the value of b. And to do that, I must make sure that a factor is common to both, and look for a way to make those factors become 0. So a and c, what do they have in common? X plus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 2. Okay, so I need to equate either of these factors to become 0. So if I make x to be plus 2 minus 2 will give me 0, and 0 times here plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times a is 0. Eliminated. C plus 2 is 0, and this is 2. So 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times c is 0. So I'm going to have 2. Okay, put x equals to 2. So 2 minus 4 times 2 is equals to b. X is 2 and 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 8 is equals to b. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 2 minus 8 is equals to minus 6. And 2 times 3 is 6. That's 6b. Therefore, b is equals to minus 6 over 6. 6 and 1, 6 and 1, which is equals to minus 1. Okay, so therefore, a is equals to minus 1. B is equals to minus 1, and C is equals to 2. Alright, from here substituting the values of A, B, and C into our initial proposition. We need to have So remember this, 2 minus 4x over x minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to minus 1 over x, and b is minus 1 over x minus 2 plus c is equal to 2 over x plus 1 x plus 1. So we can rewrite this part of the equation. Since here is positive, I can make it come first. 2 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 over x minus 2. So, number 3, now to resolve this expression into partial fractions, and this part can be factorized, so we do that first. Solution, let me save first. Factorize 1 minus x squared. So when we do that, come here, 1 minus x squared. This is difference of two squares because this is 1 squared minus x squared, which is equal to 1 minus x squared. Consequently, it's going to be 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Put this in place of this. So this, when factorized, it equals 1 plus x. Or I can say 1 minus x, 1 plus x. So our expression becomes 4x squared plus 3x plus 3x squared over 1 minus 2x, 1 minus x, and 1 plus x. Since we have 3 factors, that means that we're going to, this expression will be identical to 3 separate fractions in parts. So this will be e over 1 minus 2x plus b over 1 minus x plus c over 1 plus x. So the next thing is multiply through. Let's multiply through by LCM, which in this case is these factors by LCM, which is 1 minus 2x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Okay, so when we multiply through by LCM, we're going to have this part to be 4x plus 3x plus 2x squared equals to, and then by the time this part multiplies this part, this 1 minus 2x will eliminate 1 minus 2x, so we don't have these two parts left. Give us e 1 minus x and 1 plus x plus b. Okay, so for b, this part will eliminate this part. We're going to have this and this. That's 1 plus 2x plus 2x and 1 plus x plus c. For c, this part, when you multiply through by LCM, meaning that this part will multiply c. So this part 1 plus x will cancel this part. We're going to be left with this. So 1 minus 2x and 1 minus x. So the next thing I'm going to do is to eliminate. So I want to eliminate b and c. To eliminate b and c, you can also use equating terms method. but I choose to use this elimination method. So eliminate B and C. We're going to put x equals to. So let's see what B and C have in common. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Okay. So since B and C have 1 minus 2x in common, that's 1 minus 2x. If I make x to be 1 over 2, say x is 1 over 2. Let's see if it will be equal to 0. 1 minus 2, 1 over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Alright. So I'll make x to be 1 over 2. So if you put 1 over 2 here, it will be 0. 0 times, if you simplify this, you get an answer. 0 times whatever you're going to get will be 0. 0 times is 0. Same thing applies here. So in that way, B and C will have been eliminated. So I'm going to work with A. So this value I'm putting in, this value that's x is equal to will still be what you put in place of x here, and what you put in place of x here also. So 4 to 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 2 1 over 2 is equal to A. 1 minus 1 over 2 and 1 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So this is 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 1 is equals to A. 1 minus 1 over 2 will give us 1 over 2, and 1 plus 1 over 2. 1 plus 1 over 2, 1. LCM is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So it's 3 over 2. So let's simplify here. LCM is 2. Now 2 over 1 plus 3 over 2 plus 1 over 1. So LCM is 2. This is 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 over 2. So here is 9 over 2 equals to A. 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 4. 3 over 4A. Cross multiply. So 2 times 3 is give us 6A. 4 times 9 will give us 36. A is equals to 36 over 6. 6 here, 1, 6 here, 6. So A is equals to 6. Alright, so to eliminate A and B. We eliminate A and B. Put x equals to. I want to eliminate A and B. What does A and B have in common? 1 minus x, 1 plus x. A and B have 1 plus x in common. So if I make x to be minus 1, so it becomes 1 plus minus 1. Plus times minus will give us minus. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this way, A and B will be eliminated. So I'll be left with C to work with. So okay, so put x minus 1. Okay, so that's it, minus 1. Alright, so 4 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 squared is equals to 2 minus 1 squared is equals to C. Give us 1 minus 2 minus 1 and okay, and 1 minus 1. So 4, this is minus 4 minus 3 plus 2. So this is C. 1 minus 2 minus 1 give us plus 2. And this is plus 2. Minus times minus give us 1 plus 1. So minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6C. So C is equals to minus 5 over 6. Next is to eliminate A and C, so we can work for B. So what does A and C have in common? A and C have 1 minus x in common, so make x to be 1, put x equals to 1. So 2, 4, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 1 squared equals to C equals to B. Or B is equals to 1 minus 2, 1 and 1 plus 1. So we call here. So 4 times 1 is 4, 3 times 1 is 2. This is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 2 times 1 is 2, 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1, b minus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 8, minus 2 is minus 2b, so b is equals to minus 9 over 2, so therefore a is equals to, A is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 9 over 2, and c is equals to minus 5 over 6, minus 5 over 6. So substituting into our initial proposition, we're going to have, where we have 4x plus 3x plus 2x over 1 minus 2x, and okay, 1 minus 2x on this side, 1 minus x, 1 plus x. This is equals to a is 6 over a is 1 minus 2x, and b is equals to minus 9 over 2, 1 minus x, minus c, 5 over 6, 1 plus x. So this part of the equation, this part of the fraction has been factorized. These are the factors of root 6x. times 2x give us 8x. 4 times minus 2 give us minus 12. Minus 2x minus 10. So 6x equals to 8x minus 2x minus 12 minus 10. 6x minus 2. 6x minus 2 minus 8x minus 2x is 6x minus 12 minus 10 minus 22. Okay, so when we equate constants, written constants minus 2 equals to minus 22 to plus equals to 22, that is cancel, give us 22. Or from here we can just say 6x will cancel, minus 3 minus 22 minus divide minus 2, we're going to have 22. So the value of the constant P is 22. Okay, so 3x equals x. X minus 2 equals 5 for x minus 1. So here 3 plus x and 5 x plus 1 x plus 1 minus 4 x minus 2. So we open bracket. So okay, so we equate constants. So here our constant equating constants. This is 3 and minus 5 plus 4. The equation constant we have 3 equals to minus 5 plus 4. So we will have 4 equals to 3 plus 5. 4 plus equals to 8. This equals to 2. Alternatively, we can solve it this way. You can see 3 multiplying 2 by x minus 1 x minus 2. We have x minus 1 x minus 2 3 plus x x minus 1 x minus 2 equals to 5 x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 2 minus 4 x minus 1 x minus 3 x minus 1. Okay, so this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel. 2 plus x equals 5x minus 1 minus 4x minus 2. So yeah, our target is B. We are looking for value. So eliminate x, eliminate x, put x plus 1, eliminate 5, or to eliminate constant x, put x, also to get B, to eliminate, so get B, put x equals to 1, so 2 plus 1 equals to 5, 1 minus 1 minus 4, 1 minus B. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 times 5 is 0, this is 4 equals to minus 4 times 1 minus 4, minus 4 times 4b, minus 4 times minus b will give us plus 4b. So quadratic sense 4b, this one crosses over to become 4 plus 4, 4b plus 8, and is equals to 2.